Good morning, you guys. I'm not a panicker usually, but I'm concerned. It's basically a week until Christmas. I'm not ready. Are you guys ready? I know some people thrive on the last minute hustle and bustle. Not so much for me. So I'm up early. I'm usually up early, but I'm up early and I'm going to Walmart. We got to pull this Christmas thing together. This is getting serious. I'm going in. I think I need decoration stuff, but you never know what they have.
I said, Tony, I think that's what it is. He says, Miriam. He says, listen to me.
I did want some mini stockings that they have them. Hey guys, know I love some cream. Well, you might not know, but I love ice cream. And we love ice cream bars. Never had a Walmart one, but think I'm gonna try. Okay, so I'm back from Walmart, but one of the things that I really wanted to get there was balloons, because I saw something on, I believe it was on Instagram, where someone had added an unusual thing to their tree, and I thought it was really cool and looked really good. So I went to Walmart and I found balloons, and I have them on the tree. Can you guys see them? It's a balloon. Great hack to add to your color scheme if you've done a certain color scheme for your tree this year. I'm not saying this is about anybody we know, but you know what I got for Christmas? Fat. I got fat. Okay? Deal with it.
Plain Raven Lane, 243.95. I've seen it online for weeks now.
Well, I think that's what they're doing in one. Stuff up. And I will say, I went with Vlogmas.
This is cute. The letterbox, but it's in the style of an English.
Yeah, I like that. That's cute. Yeah.
I'm not sure if this is the right spirit for the season, but one more. You get one more, and then you're out of here.